Welcome back to the DKCN Circus. Hey guys, welcome back to the DKCN Circus. So oh, I totally forgot something outside, but we have not vlogged in literally like ages in 2 days. So it's gonna be 3 days for you guys. But is it raining? It literally looks like there's a tornado, but it's not. It's kind of chilly out, kind of not chilly, but sorry, that was really anticlimactic. It sounds like but I did get hurt just then. But I'm going on the trampoline because I forgot something. But so I can show you what made me forgot something. But anywho, yeah, that's really what we're doing. We did not vlog because our days weren't, fun and exciting and blah. So, yeah, and there's like 85 mosquitoes. So now I'm gonna be doing a cool thing, and I didn't think I was gonna land because I haven't done anything, but tomorrow and Saturday, and we're gonna be vlogging for the rest of the week. So exciting! It was just like these days, where I just came back and full of things. So yeah. Darn! It keeps falling over. I'm trying to use back handspring into it. Ugh. That's kind of bad quality because you guys can't see anything. But I want to film it just in case I get it. Darn. All I see is this fall and messes me up. Okay. And now 3 steps this time. That was 4, like I jumped over one. Trying to jump on the 3rd one, which I've done before. I haven't done it in a while. Time to do 1 bounce, jump on the 2nd one. I'm so scared. Oh, I can do it. But I'm kidding, I got this. Oh my gosh, I did it! Oops, let me show you guys. I can't believe I just did that. I've been doing that for so long. Oh my gosh. So I did it, but it didn't work because my phone's kind of stupid. Because yeah, I'm using my phone, y'all. Freak! It's raining. Did it! Oh my gosh. Guys, it's raining, y'all. So I did it! Okay. It's literally raining. Probably gonna chill outside for a little longer until it's like pouring and I can't stay in. So it's raining, so I decided I'm just gonna flip in the rain. And I decided to film it for y'all. It's kind of slippery, so I'm hoping I can land everything. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try a back handspring flip now. Oh, it's slippy though. Okay, we'll let you know probably Saturday or tomorrow. It's raining. Can you see it? Not sure which one yet, but it is raining. Those are rain. But yeah. Why is it always raining? Oh, it's April showers. Woo! gonna go. I did it! Yes! So guys, I've been out here for a while. It's like raining so hard, not like too hard. And I perfected it. I did it like a bunch of times, so pretty happy. I saw a butterfly and I was like, I hope this song comes on, and it came on. So I'm feeling pretty hyped. But it's raining, so I'm gonna skirt before I get more drenched. And I already am, and there's like a weird car. And yeah, if you guys don't believe me, it's raining. My hair's damp. I don't need to take a shower today. I'll take one tomorrow. And maybe Saturday morning, not sure. But yeah. Look. I did this super cool trick. I did.
Thank your brother for watching you to make sure you stay safe.
Thank you. I did.
You're a good brother, Charlie.
So I did a handstand like this, fell, backhand, spring, punch front multiple times. And I saw a ladybug and the song I wanted came on.
Christians. Dinner is served.
That's what Charlie's got. Are you eating? Yum.
It's really good.
Looking good. You like it?
Yeah, it's really good, Mom.
Let's
Nice to
all
meet
here together. We're best friends forever. So
I need one of those.
yeah.
Hey.
That is what we're doing right now. 9:34. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I am feeding the bunnies and then getting ready for bed. My throat's kind of hurting, and for some reason, whenever I have this, like when we have Chinese food, they have this sauce for their pot stickers, and it's so good. Like I can drink it, but it makes me have a sore throat later that day or the morning of. And my mom kind of used like the same food they used for the sauce. I'm not sure. It was in this pasta sauce, and let me just say, now I'm starting to get a sore throat, and I'm really nervous about that because I have some things I need to do that involve speaking. So my throat's like cackly. Alright guys, so ready for bed. Feeling comfy schmumpy. And I'm gonna go to bed. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe because we have exciting news on Saturday. So yeah, my eyes are watering. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn for friends, okay? Tell us your favorite part of your video. Mine was watching Gravity Falls and doing my handstand fall into a backhand swing into a front punch. So yeah, comment down below your favorite day and or our vlog. And you'll get a shout out in our next upcoming video on the thing you answered. One of y'all will be picked. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye.